Hey yo, what's up? So today we are going to upgrade the RAM and storage of my ASUS TUF FX505DT, and I have here a 3mm screwdriver and a plastic pick to open the locks. First is we have to unscrew the screws, and for TUF FX505 models, it has 11 screws, 6 long screws and 5 short screws. After putting back the back cover, we are going to enter BIOS to see if the BIOS can recognize the RAM and the SSD that we installed. As you can see here, there's the RAM and there's the SSD. And for the final step, this is very important. Everything that we did won't make sense if we are not going to do this. So just go to your start menu, type this management, and click this, create and format hard disk partitions. In this window, you will see the SSD that we just installed as disk 0, which is still unallocated, so we have to allocate it. So just go to disk 0, hit right click, and then click on new simple volume. Then just hit next, and you will see the amount of the storage. You can customize it for multiple partitions, and then hit next. Then you will have to choose for the name of the partition. I'll just choose T, and then click next, and then another next, and then click finish. Then after a few seconds, your storage will be allocated. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, and put down some comments if you have any questions. Bye bye.